Hi guys, so today we're going to draw Charmander from Pokemon, and let's start with a big U shape for his head. So starting right here, we'll go up, curve, and back down. Just a nice U shape. Okay, here you saw that I curved it out a little bit, so let's go ahead and continue that curve out. And then we're going to curve it back in, going in like so. And this one we're going to curve it in up to about here, so go down. Alright, now let's draw his mouth first. So it's going to be a V shape. So here, go towards the middle, and then from here go out to the other side, and on the ends let's curve it up a little bit to show his smile. And I'm gonna smooth this line out a little bit, maybe. There you go. Okay, here we're gonna draw a curve for the tooth and another one right here. Okay, so from tooth to tooth we're gonna draw another U shape with the bottom of the U right about here. So I'll just put a dot right there. So starting here, go towards the dot, and then from here we'll go to the other tooth. There you go. And then right here we're gonna put another tooth and just an upside down U. There you go. And then right here will be the nostrils. Let's put a dot there and another dot right there. Okay, now let's draw the eye. So the bottom of the eye is parallel to the mouth here, so we'll just draw a line going towards the outside but not reaching the outside. And again we're going to do a U shape from here to there. So actually let's start from here, go up and down. Okay, and up at the top we'll go ahead and draw an oval like that, and then underneath that another oval for the pupil, and let's go ahead and blacken that. Alright, on the other side then will be the eye, but because of the curve of the face, the head, it'll be more of a narrow oval. So let's draw the bottom of the eye again from the side of the head, because it's going to touch, go inward, and then here we're going to go up and imagine that there's a U shape here, and it's narrower than here. Okay, so the oval then goes up here, oval, and the inside oval, which will blacken again. Okay, little eyebrow line right there, maybe a little longer, and then another one right there. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to draw the arms. So line coming out here, so just an angled line out to about there, and we'll do the same here. Here we're going to go a little past this line going out. Alright, from here we'll draw a triangle, an A shape, and then another one, and another one. So 3 fingers there. Go in to about where this corner is, and then we're going to draw a curve that goes inward to about here. Curve to about there. Alright, on the other side, again, triangle pointing a little bit farther this way, and then another triangle pointing out that way. Alright, and we'll continue this line down to the thumb. Triangle, and then again we're gonna curve it inward. And we'll stop there for now. Alright, so let's draw the body. So the body's gonna go down like this and over. Okay, so from here, let's go ahead and draw a straight line initially, which will then curve to about there for now. Okay, so now that we have this line, we can continue this arm to it. And then here, we'll go ahead and draw the back side of his body going out this way. Alright, so out and start curving in to there. Alright, so now the leg, the upper leg will be here at the thigh. So let's draw a curve, big curve, and then curve in. Okay, let me move this paper a little bit. Okay, so now we'll have the foot sticking out this way, like that. And then we're gonna draw these little cones for his toes. Triangle, and then a curve. And then here we'll draw a line this way. Again, a cone and a curve. And one more. Line, triangle, and a curve. Okay, so now we can meet these two together. Alright, so now let's draw the other leg and the foot. So here's the one foot, the other foot will be here. So let's just go ahead and draw the bottom of the foot here. Like so. Okay, we'll curve the heel up and then go in a little bit from this line and then go to the body. Like so. Okay. So now we'll draw the thigh. Again, here's the top of the thigh. So we'll start here and curve, go out first and then curve back in. Out and curve back in. Okay, again, let's draw the toes from here. Triangle, see? And then make a curve. Bottom of the next toe. Triangle and a curve. And then here. And here actually we can go ahead and continue this toe up to that thigh and curve. Okay. Now let's draw the inside of his belly. So from here, that dot, we're going to just draw a curve to this edge of his body. And then from here, we're going to continue that curve down to the inside of this thigh. So from here, just draw a gentle curve going down to that line. Okay, so now let's draw his tail. Pull this out again. And it's gonna be a continuation of this line here. So going behind the thigh, right here. We're gonna go up, up, and then from here, we're gonna go back, giving the tail some thickness, so it's gonna get thicker as we get back to the body. So go back, thickness. And we're basically gonna continue this line over here. So this part's gonna be a lighter color. So the bottom part of his tail here will also be a lighter color. So we'll go from here and meet up with that bottom line. Alright, now we can draw a flame. So you can make squiggly lines here however way you want, but let's just draw a curve for now. Let's draw a curve that goes up. And then maybe curve in. Curve back in this way, out. And then make it pointy, up, down. Maybe curve inward this way. And a little squiggly lines there. In, curve, out, in, and then a couple more there. Go like this and connect it. Okay, And let's just draw an indication of his chin right here. So basically a continuation of this line, but just a short one. And that's pretty much it. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed that, and we'll try to color it later. Thanks and have a great day.